Let us commence analyzing the downloaded image set. Click on Files, Load Images. Go to Downloads. Click on the folder PS1 New Practice 2. You will observe that there are 4 images in this folder. Select all the 4 images and click on Open. Once these images are loaded in the software, you are ready to start your analysis. The first step for analysis is the astrometric data reduction. In order to do that, all you have to do is click on this green icon, which is labeled as astrometric data reduction. You will observe that there is a small dialog box which has opened. Without altering any of the details or features in this dialog box, click on OK. Let the software do its analysis. Please note, while the software is running its analysis, do not fiddle with anything on the software. You will observe another dialog box has opened and the images are marked by green dots. All you have to do is close this particular dialog box and you are ready to go for the next step in the analysis process.